My dear friend, as you are well aware that my name is Vijay Kumar Pal and I am an author. Today we will discuss any Muslim has right to advise on the rape, killings, robbery until he is a true Muslim. Because robbery, killing of a non-Muslim, rapes with non-Muslim woman, rape with non-Muslim is the birthright for a Muslim. Perfectly, Muhammad committed such heinous activities. So first, you leave Islam, then you have any right for screaming against the criminology. How a Muslim can criticize the criminal activity whenever Islam is a perfect gunism against non-Muslims? True Muslim, a true man, perfect killer and rapist as per Quranic ideology. So do you have any moral value or any moral right to criticize the rapes, killing and the robbery even in the government of the Uttar Pradesh or throughout the world? You have no right at all. Because until you are Muslim, you are a true Muslim, you are a perfect killer and rapist as per Quranic ideology. Though you are not doing such heinous crime due to the fear of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or the Indian Constitution or the Constitution of every relevant countries where you are living, except the Islamic countries, where the rapes with non-Muslims is not allowed. Today, past time, when these are the true Islamic countries, these rapes were allowed by the Muslims. As for instance, Saudi Arabia signed on a treaty in the United Nations Organization for the abrogation of rapes or the sex slavery with non-Muslim women, which is certified according to Quran that a woman can be raped by a Muslim after kidnapping and capturing them. So, no Muslim has right to criticize any rape, killing and the robbery. Whenever your Muhammad bin Abdullah, or as your so-called prophet, self-proclaimed prophet, was doing such criminal activities according to Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or any country rule of law, even the United Nations Organization, you are a perfect killer, perfect rapist and perfect robber because you are following the sunnat of so-called Muhammad bin Abdullah, who is your prophet. What type of prophet you have? You think any single moment about this? Not at all. This is why you and your Gunism of the Islam or the army of the Muslim as a goons went to the border of the Israel and committed rape, killing of the non-Muslim woman recently in October 223 when they are performing the Sabbath festival or many festival, when the Hanuk festival, Sabbath festival, Sabbath Shalom festival of the Jews, you were killing the women, even women after raping them, or this committed, this crime, heinous crime were committed by Muhammad bin Abdullah. He killed so many women due to exposure of his criminal activity in the name of the fake Allah. And the robbery in Islam is certified as Mali Ganimat, and 20% share went to so-called kind and merciful prophet that is known as Muhammad. Such type of prophet can be kind, amazing. The killer, the robber and the rapist of the non-Muslims women at the time of Muhammad, and Muhammad was head of the such criminal activities. But he is very kind and merciful to the Muslims. Yes, he is kind to merciful to the Muslims because he allows all the Gunism against the non-Muslims for fulfill their lust of wealth, Sensual desire means the Muhammad and his companions were running army of the rapists, killers and robbers. People were afraid to Muhammad at that time because Muhammad was master in the kidnapping of the Jews and the Christian women at the time. So, how a Muslim can criticize the rape with Dalit girl or any girl of the any society? Whenever you are the group of the goons, rapists and the killers, according to Quranic verses, you are not doing the rape, killing and the robbery, then you are perfect, not a true Muslim. You are a good people, but not a true Muslim. But if in your mind it secret inhibits that we are the Muslims superior to than any other people, and we will do accordingly as per the Quranic verses or the Shariat, which is total hooliganism, dictatorship or goonism against the civil society, then you are the sleeper cell of the terrorism due to the fear of rule of law or due to the fear of international kafir army, which is neutralizing the Islamic goons as and where as required as per admissibility. And this task of the international kafir army must be in wide intention, wide wide prospectus, because we cannot digest this ideology. And those people which are favoring the Islam only for vote throughout the world, or these shadow seculars, they are also helping the goons of the Islamic terrorism. These are also followers of the such ideology. You see, in Christianity, there are friends and the followers. Followers means which are the Christians. Friends means which are agree with the Christian aspects but not are Christian. They are the followers. So perfect Muslims are goons, and their followers in the name of the voting pattern or the pseudo-secularism, they are followers of the Islamic dictatorship. And these people are more dangerous to the true Muslims, because true Muslim is exposed that he is Muslim. He can do accordingly as per written in the Quran, the killing, rape and the capturing the woman, sold and purchased the woman as Muhammad did. But these followers are too much dangerous because they are not Muslims. They are disguising in the court of the Hindus, Jews and Christians or the communism, and they are preparing everywhere to processing a candle march in favor of the Palestinians. These are more dangerous to the Muslims, because we know the Muslim, if he is truly Muslim, that he is terrorist, that we are cautious about his activity, but these disguise terrorist in shape of the pseudo secularism. In India there are many pseudo secularists which are more dangerous, more ingenious to the non-Muslim of India. This must think about this, we must think about it, and we must aware this dangerous ideology for the appeasement of the Muslim votes. Though the Muslim is well aware where have to vote or how to vote. This is why when All India Muslim Ittihad Muslimin AIMS stand their representative in the Kishanganj district, where the Muslim majority, the 5 candidates won from the battle, and none of the Muslim voted for the RJD, because Muslims has their own ideology. They have their icon, Lalu Yadav, Akhilesh Yadav, and other pseudo-secular Mayavati cannot be the icon of the Muslims, because Muslim read the Quran, and according to Quran, the Muhammad, though he is heinous criminal, but he is the prophet of the prophet of the Muslim. So they will follow the sunnah of the Islam. This is why many Yadavs were killed by these so-called voters, which is known as the Muslim, due to the criminal ideology of the Islam. So all these secular and the communist people person must know that Islam does not respect even the communism, and communist has no right to criticize the killing of the Muslims by the hand of the non-Muslims, because China itself, a communist country, killing and persecuting the Muslims due to the Quranic ideology, which is very, very violent. So you have no right to criticize Hindus, Christian or the Jews, because first attack from the side of Muslims, and Muhammad also attacked first from his side. No attack was considered or executed by non-Muslims on the Muhammad. This is the truth. Even the Jange Badr was also imposed by the Muhammad. It is the truth. So in the resentment, how the non-Muslim can bear this idiot stupidity of the Islam, and nobody is prepared to kill by hands of these Islamic goons. This is why, due to the resentment of the non-Muslims, can create 100 or 1,000 or killings of the Muslims, because this is the holy duty of any person, good person, that he will not bear this goonism of the Islam in the court of a cult, not a religion. Islam is a goonism, it is not a religion. So my dear friend, no Muslim can criticize any rape, killing, and the killing of the Muslims, or though rape is not bad, not good, it is a crime. But according to Islam, rape of the non-Muslim woman with the non-Muslim woman is not crime. Then why you are screaming whenever rape committed by the Hindu, Jews, and Christians? Constitution and the law will do favor of that victimized woman or girl by any non-Muslim, Jews, Hindu, Christian. But Islam cannot favoring or justified cannot give the favor to that woman which were raped by the Muslims, because Islam allows the killing of the non-Muslims, even killing of the woman, and rape with the woman, kidnapping there. This is so many instances or incident had been occurred so far, and the non-Muslims number of killing by the Islamic goons or the terrorists more than 24 crores till date. So this is time to fight against this Islamic goonism, which is spreaded in the name of the fake Allah. Islam is a certified goonism, certified criminal activities. So no true Muslim can give advice to anybody that the rape is bad or the killing of the bad, the robbery is the bad. If these work or these works are bad, certainly these works are bad. But in Islam, your work, this work or these work or these deeds are not bad, because your Prophet committed such heinous crimes in the same shape of the rape with the non-Muslim woman as Muhammad did. Rape with Safiya bint Huyya after killing her father and husband in the same night. He was indulged with the sexual desire with that innocent girl on the same day for 3 days in the valley of the Khyber. So this Muhammad was himself a criminal, hardcore criminal, that every true Muslim is following the sunnah or the teaching of the Muhammad is a criminal, that he has no right to criticize any rape, killing and the robbery, because you are certified robber, killer and rapist. Thank you.